Cars, fashion.
Fuck with my Cenos, I'm going Pacino. I wrap the cheese like burritos, bread in my chinos. Easy girls, impossible women. Gotti was winning, Bugatti was sinning. All my P's and Q's and ices, up in the prices. Hunger pains, the belly of beast. I wet the curve for those who deceased. My classic now, you take TBA. Your rockstar games, all GTA. I'm from the era when the hustlers will tear your wig up. So bad, so barely pick up, but still the dough continue. Everyone's a cat now, afraid of dog business. I'm talking to God business, card tinted. You ain't authentic, I see through it, I paw print it. Wall gimmick, I walk in it, I'm top picking. No other choice, little boys is 5'9", thinking they Royce. You should know the heart from the fucking voice, kid. Master P, how I step in my new gators. Make it red everywhere like a newspaper. Breeze on the cut, give you cool tapers. I want the cheese up front, I can't do favors. Blue paper coming in like a damn heist. Bums trying to gamble like the boys had dice. Whips and chains, they slaves to the rap life. That's why they getting left like they can't write. I push the issue like a kilo at the Great Camino. Spumoni swag out the venue like I'm fucking Dino. I'm paying dues plus the fam handle Gambino. I handle biz in the road, Bell through the Reno. Too much dough, need a chef and an abacus. Feds want me in the court like Atticus. That's why I'm staying covered like bandages. Keep their hands off my heart, this shit the Vatican.